Beta minus decay, A-level physics. Can you write the equation? This is something all exam boards need to know. So please lock it in. Please add any comments underneath if there's anything you're worried with. And remember, you can always join our online classes. They're like £5 an hour. Such a bargain, and you get an hour with me, right? Anyway, so beta minus decay. So in beta minus decay, the way I would do is think beta minus decay. Decay is something being emitted from the nucleus, okay? If it's a beta minus, we know what's getting emitted is that electron, right? Beta minus is a fast-moving electron. So that's what's getting emitted. Now, we know in the nucleus there's only two things. There's only protons and neutrons in that nucleus. So one of these things is decaying and emitting an electron, okay? So the only thing I know it's got charge is a proton. A proton's got +1 charge. So I have to think, where am I going to put this proton to conserve charge? If I put the proton here, that's a +1 charge on this side of the equation and a -1 charge on this side of the equation. So, right, they're never going to be balanced. So the proton can't go here. So the proton must be the thing that gets changed into. So proton and electron are going to be produced. Proton's got a charge of +1. So now I can see +1 and -1 give me a total charge of 0. So then it makes sense that it's my neutron decaying into my proton. And a neutron's got a charge of 0. So now what I'm going to see is my neutron decays my proton and its electron. And I can see that my charges are conserved. Okay? I can also then look at baryon number. So if I look at baryon number, a neutron is a baryon. It's got a baryon number of +1. A proton is a baryon. It's got a baryon number of +1. So again, if I separate my equation, I can see that baryon number is conserved on both sides of the equation. It's both +1. Then what I'm going to do is look at my lepton number. A neutron is not a lepton, we just said it's a baryon. A proton is not a lepton, we just said it's a baryon. An electron is a real lepton, so it's got a +1 is what we give it for its lepton number. But I need to have 0 lepton number before, so I need to have 0 lepton number after. So clearly I need to have something else that's got a lepton number of -1. So what I need here is an anti-lepton. Okay, I need an anti-lepton that doesn't have any charge because I've already balanced my charges. So the only lepton that has no charge is a neutrino, and we need the antiparticle to show this an antiparticle. We put that little arrow on top, arrow line on top. So this is my antineutrino. So this is my equation for beta minus decay.